So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install PyCharm in Windows 11. So PyCharm basically is an integrated development environment used for programming in Python. But before installing PyCharm, make sure that you have downloaded and installed Python. If not so, follow the link in the description below and you'll learn how to download and install Python. So first, open the browser of your choice and search for PyCharm download. So PyCharm is owned by JetBrains, so click the official link for jetbrains.com. So PyCharm comes with two versions. We have a paid one, but we'll be downloading the Community Edition, which is an open source. So PyCharm Community Edition, click the download button and wait for your file to get downloaded. So our download is complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. Minimize. So click yes for the app to make changes to your device. So click next. So the installed files will get installed in the local disk C. I'll leave mine in default, but if you want to change your directory, click the browse button and choose the location of your choice. So click next. So here have the installation options. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can check it. To add open folder as project, check it. So to include the .py extension for Python, you can check it. And also to add bin folder to path. So click next. So here you have to choose the start menu folder. I'll leave mine in default, JetBrains, and click install. So we've successfully installed PyCharm in Windows 11. You can also see the desktop shortcut that you have recently created. So if you want to, you can reboot it now, but I'll reboot mine manually later. So you can click finish. So how do you open the PyCharm and also write your first program in PyCharm? Open PyCharm. So click skip import. Click new project. So we have to give our project a name. I'll name add PyCharm and click create. So after creating the name of our project, right click, select new and click Python file. So first we have to name our file. I'll name demo.py, and it's important to include the .py extension and press enter. So to write your first program in PyCharm, we'll use the print method. So print, open brackets, single quotes. So whatever will be written in between the quotes will be printed out. Say thank you. And to run your program, click run icon. And you can see our text has been printed out. So that's how to download and install PyCharm in Windows 11, as well as to run your first program in PyCharm. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.